Welcome to the Sherlock Linux presentation video. In this video we will describe the characteristics of this distribution dedicated to the extraction of information from open sources. There are two ways to get Sherlock Linux. The first and simplest is using a virtual machine that can be downloaded from the distribution's official website, www.sherlock-linux.org, in the Downloads section. The second option to obtain Sherlock Linux is by cloning the project and running the script in a clean Debian installation. You can see the steps in the Downloads section of the official website. This option requires more computer knowledge than the previous option. To log into Sherlock Linux, we will use the word Sherlock as the username and password. Once logged in, we can see the fully personalized desktop with a desktop menu divided into several categories where the information extraction tools are located. In the first category are the web browsers. Sherlock Linux comes pre-installed with Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and the Tor browser. Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox have a large number of bookmarks and extensions configured. In the bookmarks bar, we can find the Sherlock OSINT folder, where the bookmarks are categorized according to their usefulness. The categories are anonymity, blockade, information about people and companies, CCTV, dorking, navigation, geomaps, DNS, tools, images, leaks, news, malware, reports, reputation, web technologies, terrorism, transportation, and video. These categories are just an example. The user can add new ones or delete those they do not need to have a personalized distribution according to their needs. In addition to these bookmarks, Firefox and Chrome also have a large number of pre-installed extensions. They are all disabled for security, and the user can enable the ones they need at any time, or add and delete the ones they do not need to have their personalized distribution. The second category of the menu contains tools that can help us obtain information about users. The third category of the menu contains tools that can help us search for certified email accounts and other information related to users or companies on the web. The fourth category, OSINT frameworks, contains multi-purpose information search tools. The fifth category of the menu contains tools that allow us to obtain information about DNSS. The sixth category will contain tools to obtain information from a network. The seventh category will include tools related to security information. And the eighth category contains miscellaneous tools that do not belong to any of the previous categories. To use any tool, we can go to the menu and click on it. If it is a desktop tool, a new window will open with the program ready to be used. If it is a console tool, a new terminal will open with the command executed to launch the tool and the list of possible instructions that the program allows us. For example, if we want to use the Gitrecon tool, we will select a tool from the menu and it will return the executed command and the list of possible options. As an example, let's try searching the GitHub repository for the user Torvalds to obtain all the information about this user. Once the command is executed, we obtain all the profile information of this user. The rest of the console tools will follow the same behavior. For more information, you can visit the official website of the distribution in the documentation section, where the complete list of tools and commands to execute each of them appear. And here ends the presentation of Sherlock Linux. You can send any questions through the contact form on the official Sherlock Linux website, sherlock-linux.org.